Welcome to my channel. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and see you in the vlog. Bye bye.
Good morning, friends. It's Friday. Though I woke up early, around 6:30, I had slept pretty late yesterday. So my sleep is not complete, but I'm not getting also more sleep. So I rather get started with the day. I think after 4 days, after the last Sunday, when I went for the run, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, after 4 days, today I plan on going downstairs and go for a run. It's already 7 a.m. and hopefully by 8 I'm out. Bye bye for now. So I'm ready to go for a run. Hopefully I can run. So मेरे accessories ready है. सबसे पहले my headset. It's a Bluetooth headset. फिर my mask. फिर small water bottle. फिर my house keys. And my watch. It's close to 8:33, so okay, maybe this is correct. 8:33, and when I start, I will start it. So see you outside. So I came out and it's really windy outside. So though there is already sun has come out, but I guess I'll be fine. I mean, it's the weather is pretty nice. It's not hot at all, and हवा भी बहुत अच्छा चल रही है. तो फिर अभी मैं स्टेयर्स से होके ही जा रही हूँ. फिर अभी मुझे जाना है 9 फ्लोर्स डाउन, क्योंकि जब मैं रनिंग वगैरह के लिए जाती हूँ तो मैं वॉकिंग भी मैं डाउन स्टेयर्स भी स्टेयर्स के थ्रू जाती हूँ और अप स्टेयर्स भी स्टेयर्स के थ्रू ही आती हूँ. तो नीचे जाके फिर थोड़ा सा आपको दिखाऊंगी एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट माय रन. तो मैं आ गई हूँ बाहर, मेरे ब्लॉक के बाहर, और ये एक करीबन एक राउंड अंदर होके जाते हो. Like there are different blocks. If you start going within the blocks, you can do even 2 kilometers or 2.5 kilometers within one round of it. I just have 2.5 kilometers. It's getting hard. It's sunny already. I cannot go to the place where sun is falling. I think I'll break it for today. Maybe tomorrow I will give it a try. Alright then. Bye. So I did say I will stop, but I ran for another 1.5 kilometers. Now it is close to 4.5. Today I will introduce you all to this beautiful flower. Though in the video the color is coming little pale, but it is actually more of a indigo color, not this purple color. And this flower is called as Krishna Chuda. So if we break down the name, it's Krishna and Chuda. So Krishna is Bhagavan Krishna, and Chuda is Bhagavan Krishna's. On the head, he used to have a. He used to tie his hair up. That is his Chuda. So this flower was enhancing the beauty of Lord Krishna's Chuda. So hence its name is Krishna Chuda. See how beautiful it is. I just cannot get enough of it. So I am going to go for another round of run. Though I have paused my current run, I am going to go for one more run. So let's see how I fare this time. Okay, now it's cooling off time. I did a total of 5.5 kilometers. I believe tomorrow I have to come earlier if I want to avoid the heat. So my issue is I don't go bed early. Mostly it becomes 1 a.m. most of the time in the morning when I hit the bed. So if I can change that habit of sleeping early, then I can wake up early. I feel bad that last month I had done a 100-kilometer run in the month of June, but this month, today I realized that this month, today is 30th of July, and I have done close to 65 kilometer only. So there is almost 35 kilometer for me to hit 100 kilometer, which I don't think I can do in just one day. So if I would have just cut up on it at least 2 days earlier, I sure could have hit the target. Anyway, better luck next time. So with that, I'm going to do a little bit more walk and then climb up the stairs to my apartment, and I'll chat you later. Bye. So I'm taking the stairs. So I believe I am at the 7th floor. I have few more floors to go. After going, I'll see. I think I'll make a oats smoothie. So what I will do is I'll soak some flattened oats for 10-15 minutes, and then take that oat, put it into my smoothie jar, add some water, add few dates or khajur for little sweetening, and then I'll add one amla. I have frozen amla, and then so yeah, oats, amla. I have some frozen papayas and bananas too. So I'll put one banana, one papaya, and I'll make it a smoothie. Sometimes I put some piece of beetroot, but today I'm not feeling like. So I'll just have piece of banana, piece of papaya, and then papaya in Odia we call it as Amrut Bhanda. So it's so different that in Hindi the guava is called as Amrut, whereas in Odia papaya is called as Amrut Bhanda. and then guava is called as pijuli, or it has 2-3 names. Pijuli, Vidur. You know Vidur, that character in Mahabharata. So yes, the same Vidur, the other name for guava in Odia. Right. So that will be my smoothie. What else would I put? Maybe I'll put some ginger into that and some cinnamon powder, dalchini powder, cinnamon powder, and that will be my healthy smoothie. See you. तो अभी मैं घर आ गई हूँ. तो आज मुझे मेरा ट्राइपॉड मिला, इसलिए आप मुझे थोड़े दूर से देख रहे हो. जस्ट नाउ आई रिसीव, इट वॉज देयर एट द डोर. तो थोड़ा सा फैन ऑन कर दूँ. ओके, सो जस्ट नाउ आई रिसीव्ड इट. मुझे लगा थोड़ा लंबा होगा. सो बेसिकली मेरे पास ऑलरेडी एक सेल्फी स्टिक था, बट उसमें मेरा फ़ोन बिल्कुल नहीं रहता था. मैं जैसे ही लगता थी वो गिर जाता था. जैसे ही मैं उसको लगाती थी वो गिर जाता, फटक से वो स्प्रिंग उसका खुल जाता था और मेरा फ़ोन गिर जाता था. तो ऑलमोस्ट 5-6 बार गिरा उस सेल्फी स्टिक से. तो मुझे लगा इस फ़ोन के लिए तो वो नहीं है काम का. तो ये वाला मैंने 2 दिन पहले ही ऑर्डर दिया था. गरीला सेल्फीज, गरीला ट्राइपॉड. तो ये इसका बेसिकली कोई रियल स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. आप इसको टेढ़ा मेढ़ा करके ये कर सकते हो. और मेरा फ़ोन भी सही पकड़ रहा है, तो आई फील इट्स गुड. एंड इट हैज़ दिस स्मॉल, इट्स अ रिमोट. सो उसके पीछे पता नहीं बैटरी डालना पड़ेगा शायद. इसने बैटरी नहीं दिया होगा. तो यहाँ ये अभी खुल नहीं रहा है. देखो ज़्यादा अच्छा, ये ज़्यादा ज़बरदस्ती नहीं करनी है. तो इसमें शायद बैटरी है, क्योंकि जैसे ही मैंने ऑन किया ये ब्लिंक होने लगा. तो ये एक छोटा सा रिमोट दिया है. आप बाहर दूर से इसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हो अगर आप इसको पकड़ रहे हो तो. हाँ, तो अच्छा लगा. देखते हैं. ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं है, तो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कि मतलब कितना दूर मैं इसको पकड़ सकती हूँ, फ्रॉम हाउ फार, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट दिस मच ऑफ विड्थ. सो but at least I can keep it at a steady place, and probably while cooking and all I can keep it at a place and show you while I'm cooking and my stove as well, without burning my roti. Last 2 days I'm eating burned roti because cooking is whole focus thing. So we should not divert, then the end result will not be good. So hopefully from now on I will have a better stable video. cool. अभी मैं जब स्मूदी बनाऊंगी फिर मिलूंगी आप लोगों से. तब तक चिल. तो मैं आपको आज का रन दिखा दूं. तो अराउंड 7 किलोमीटर टोटल हुआ है मेरा. अब मैं इसको बंद कर दूंगी और मेरे बाकी ऐप्स को भी बंद कर दूंगी. And I'm still little sad कि I cannot meet my 100 kilometer goal for July. It's a big mistake. I mean, it was no big deal, to be frank. If I had, the last 4 days I have not even gone out. If I would have just managed 5 kilometers also, no, I would have met my goal. So that's super bad. Okay. So I took my smoothie out, and while working I will be sipping this in. So keeping it at my desk, and now I will get started with my work. Thank you for watching. I will put this whole recipe separately apart from the blog, so that it can be there present separately. So you guys also try this. This is very healthy, it's nutritious. It has protein, it has all the immune booster from your amla. You have all the benefits of flaxseed. You have the fruits, papaya, banana. So it is I will consider it as at least full meal, energy booster, and should be a must have post exercise. So enjoy. Thank you. So now I have served the lunch for myself. So this is my दलिया. आप देख सकते हैं कितना झुरझुरा बना है, बिल्कुल भी स्टिकी नहीं है. एंड फिर ये मेरा नया फेवरेट द गार्लिक पीनट एंड कोकोनट ड्राई कोकोनट चटनी. इसका लिंक में ऊपर आई विल गिव द लिंक ऑन द टॉप, so you can also try. This is really tasty and it does not change the taste of any other dish as well. With pickles I have that issue that if you mix pickle the taste of the other recipe changes, but this one is just there at the side. It's not going to change your original food's taste. It has its own taste, so you eat it as a pinch separately. No need to mix it with anybody. So with that note, I'm going to have my lunch, and you folks also go and have your lunch. And thank you so much for watching so far. I hope you liked this one pot meal, and do like, subscribe to my channel, share the video. And now after lunch I'll get started with my work again, and then if I get time in the evening I'll get back. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hi friends, thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and give your viewpoint in your comment section, and do share with your friends, and above all subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.